Here is another video for those of you who live in older homes where your stairs are probably a death trap by today's modern standards, where they're too steep, the treads are too narrow, and they probably squeak like a haunted house. You want to fix them, but here's the catch. The moment you move from repairing to replacing, you might trigger a building code requirement that physically cannot fit inside of your old house. And for those of you who think that you need to update these building codes, there's actually something called a grandfather clause, where if you're doing cosmetic repairs, like replacing the carpet with hardwood, or swapping out the treads, or even painting the risers, you aren't usually required to change the dimensions of the stairs. You are simply maintaining an existing non-conforming structure. But once you pull out the stringers, these would be the sawtooth-looking structural boards that hold up the steps, you are no longer repairing because you're going to be building a new staircase. Well, that's when you might need to get a building permit and update the stairway to modern building codes. So let me see if I can make sense out of that one more time. If you're simply going to be making repairs, and you're not going to be changing the dimensions of the stairway, then you probably don't need a building permit. And this is an extremely gray area. So you're going to need to contact your local building department to verify whether or not you're allowed to remove the stairway and replace it with the exact dimensions so that you can create a safe stairway, or whether or not you need to update that stairway to meet local and current building codes. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.